The xyseries command is a powerful tool in Splunk that allows you to transform your data into a matrix format. This command takes three key parameters: an x-axis field, a y-axis field, and a value column. The result is a clean, organized matrix where data is structured in rows and columns, making it perfect for analysis and visualization. Let's break down the first two components of the xyseries command. The x-axis parameter defines which field will become the horizontal columns in your matrix. This determines how your data spreads across the width of the table. The y-axis parameter defines which field will become the vertical rows in your matrix. This determines how your data is organized vertically down the table. The third and final component is the value column. This parameter specifies which field contains the actual data values that will populate the cells of your matrix. These values are placed at the intersection of each x-axis and y-axis combination, creating a meaningful data structure that's easy to read and analyze. Here's a basic example of xyseries syntax. We start with an index search for main, then pipe the results to the xyseries command. The command takes three arguments: user as the y-axis, action as the x-axis, and count as the value column. This simple structure transforms tabular data into a matrix format. Before applying xyseries, your data might look like this input table. We have three columns: user, action, and count. Notice how the data is in a traditional row format, with Alice having separate entries for login and logout actions, and Bob also having separate entries for his login and logout actions. Each row represents a single event with its associated count value. After applying the xyseries command, the data transforms into this clean matrix format. The user field becomes the row identifier, while login and logout actions become column headers. The count values are now positioned at the intersections, showing Alice has 5 logins and 3 logouts, while Bob has 7 logins and 2 logouts. This matrix format makes data comparison much easier. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.